Are you tired of making your character looking like stiff and you whenever you draw the dynamic pose you end up one looking like the hard stick figure and no dynamic to it? Then you have come to right place. Here I have drawn the female figure from the very basic structure, and you can use this as a template, the pencil drawing as a template to draw the any female character in the any pose or the basic pose. Just change the height of the body structure and you will get the character according to your but here I have drawn the Nejire hado from my Hero Academia, and I have drawn it in from the very basic shape. As you can see, I have drawn the circle for the head, the Loomis method, and she is looking toward the left, and her body is little bit towards an angle and in the 3 point and in the perspective view, but also I have kept a kind of a straight. So you can see I have drawn the head with an oval, and then the upper torso also with an oval, and the convex for the rib area, then the circle for the abdomen area, and triangle for the lower abdomen where the legs begin, and the hip area and the oblique muscle. As you can see,